Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're ready. You must be on the network already and have local admin access. First, make sure other network tools are closed, then open the system settings. On Windows, open Command Prompt as Administrator. On Mac OS, open Terminal or Keychain Access. This first step collects permissions and tools so you can reveal the stored key. Once done, note the exact SSID name. Accuracy matters, because the system will search for and display the saved profile for that specific network. Now you execute the reveal. On Windows, run netwlan show profiles. The netwlan show profile name equals SSID key equals clear. The key content line shows the password. On Mac OS, use Keychain Access, search the SSID, then check Show Password and Authenticate, or run Security Find Generic Password GA SSID and enter your user password. On Android, use Saved Networks in Settings or export Wi-Fi if available. Note, some phones require additional permission. Make sure to replace SSID with the exact network name. Finish by copying the password into a secure place, like a password manager. Do not leave it in plain text. If the password didn't appear, make sure you ran the command as administrator, authenticated on Mac OS, or use the exact SSID. If that fails, access the router's admin page at 192, 168, 0, 1 or 192, 168, 1, 1, log in with the router admin credentials, and view wireless settings. Troubleshooting tip: if you can't get admin access, reboot the router and try again or reset credentials through the router's support options.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.